Tableau versus Power BI. Which one is better for business intelligence and data analytics? What is Tableau? Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool used in the industry of business intelligence. It can be used to simplify raw data into a very easily understandable format. Data can be quickly analyzed with Tableau, and the visualizations created are in the form of dashboards and worksheets. This helps professionals to understand the data that is created using Tableau at any level in an organization. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft. It provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities. It has an interface simple enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence tool that helps you to handle data from different sources and provides visualization after the cleaning and integration process. Calculations. Tableau deploys MDX for measures and dimensions. MDX, which stands for multidimensional expressions, is a query language for OLAP databases. Power BI uses DAX for calculating and measuring columns. Data Analysis Expressions, DAX, is a programming language that is used throughout Microsoft Power BI for creating calculated columns, measures, and custom tables. Data volume. Tableau can handle a huge volume of data with better performance. Power BI can handle a limited volume of data. Tableau Public. Tableau Public is free software that can allow anyone to connect to a spreadsheet or file and create interactive data visualizations for the web. Tableau Desktop. Tableau Desktop allows you to install the software directly on your desktop. Tableau Online. Tableau Online uses a Tableau-hosted site and works best for new users. Tableau Server. Tableau Server can be installed on premises on Windows or Linux for organizations who want more control over their data. Tableau Creator. Users need to pay for Tableau Creator if they want to connect to mobile apps like Hadoop, Google Analytics or Microsoft products. Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is a free data analysis tool that can connect to over 70 on-premises and cloud data sources. Power BI Pro. Users can also opt for Power BI Pro, which is a premium cloud-based BI tool with monthly pricing of $9.99 per user. Power BI Premium. Power BI Premium is an even more powerful package costing $20 per month per user. Interface and dashboard. Tableau has a more attractive and useful user interface. Very easily a dashboard can be created, but this comes with a cost. It is a little bit difficult to learn the dashboard of Tableau as compared to Power BI. If you don't have much advanced usage, then you can go for Power BI. Tableau offers more depth of data analysis front-end. Power BI does it more on the back-end. Tableau strongly focuses on visuals, Power BI offers features of data manipulation first and provides simple visualizations later. Tableau offers connections to any number of heterogeneous data sources and larger data sets visualizations, a feature unavailable in Power BI. Power BI offers visualizations first and then data dragging into it later. Power BI comes at a lower price point than Tableau, but scaled features and additional users will increase that price. Tableau is built for data analysts, while Power BI is better suited to a general audience that needs business intelligence to enhance their analytics. As per the article published on LinkedIn, URL in description, you can see job demand ranking of 3 most famous tools for data visualization. Power BI in ranking is significant and jobs is over x4 more comparing to 2017. Tableau has continued to increase its ranking since 2017, however recently the ranking dropped, although the difference is not that significant. Licenses. If you are a student or a beginner, both tools are available for free to download and use. When you will work in a company, they will provide you your credentials so you don't have to worry about the cost. These tools also offer student licenses which can be used to try and test pro features. Both of these tools are useful and fun to learn and use. For those who already uses Microsoft products like Azure, Office 365, and Excel, then Power BI would be the right choice. Tableau offers better and beautiful visualizations, but it is beneficial for corporate environments with data engineers and bigger budgets. Pick any one of them and become a master, as both tools have career advantages. Personally, I will suggest you learn Tableau first. Download Tableau Public and start learning. If you want to try good and easy to learn courses, links are there in the description.